Hello and welcome back to my tutorial. This is a tutorial for red geode coasters. I'll take you through the process step by step. Let's have fun. I used these hollow geode molds by Resin. Here you see me adding a layer of holographic glitter in the center. Next, I added a layer of pearl white on the edges on both the coasters. Guys, I would like to remind you, always wear your gloves and a respirator mask. This video I had done a long time ago when I had just started with resin and I didn't know the dangers of resin. But now I make sure I always have my gloves and my respirator on. I decided to add a layer of resin around the glitter, the pearl white, to give it a little contrast. And then I got the flaming red out. I don't remember which brand I used, but I really like this red. This was the highlight of the piece. I didn't really have a fixed design in mind for this piece. I just wanted it to look like a geode. So I kept layering it with the holographic glitter, the pearl white, and the red as I felt like. As I said, this is a very old video and I didn't have a good recording equipment. Here I'm holding the camera or my phone in my left hand and pouring with my right. That's why my camera keeps moving. Bear with me, guys. I continued with the layering till all my resin was finished and the coasters were almost full. When I was done, I let these coasters cure for about 24 hours before I demolded them. Here, enjoy some demolding. Oh wow, look at them. I love how it looks. What do you think? Do you like it? I always love to bring my coasters out in the sun just to see how beautifully they sparkle. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Also, click on the bell sign so you get my next videos. See you later.